Season Watch begins with choosing a tree around you. It could be near your house, school, college, in a nearby park, or anywhere you travel in India. Season Watch tracks 172 species of commonly seen trees from across India, and by observing the same trees over time and recording what you see, you contribute to a long-term understanding of how seasons and climate are changing across India. When choosing a tree to observe, make sure it is a mature tree, a tree that flowers and fruits. Avoid very young or recently planted trees that may not yet show these stages. Once you've chosen a tree, observe it for 5 minutes. Look for the stages of leaves, flowers, and fruits like the new, mature and dying leaves, buds, open flowers, unripe, ripe, and open fruits. Note the proportion of the tree canopy in which they are present. Observing all stages and noting even if they are absent is just as important. If you are unsure about what species the tree is, there are many ways to get help, starting with the pocket guides available on the Season Watch website, which you can download and refer to whenever you need. Alternatively, you can take a photo of the tree and upload it to the iNaturalist to get identifications and suggestions. An in-app photo identification feature in Season Watch is underway too. You can also join one of our many WhatsApp groups for season watchers from across India to discuss plant identification, tree seasonality, and plant observations in general. Identification is a learning process and it improves with repeated observations and community support. Submitting your observations can be done in 3 simple ways. First is on our mobile app. Install the app from the Play Store and register or log into your account. Choose regular or casual tabs based on how often you plan to observe the tree. Click on the plus icon to select your species, upload the location of the tree, add the requested details about your tree, and click on Add Tree. Your registered tree will now appear in the regular tab on the app. Click on the blue icon to add observation on a fixed day of every week. If you plan on observing a tree just once, swipe left, go to the casual section of the app, tap on the blue eye button in the bottom right corner and add your observations. A second platform to submit your observation is our website. Log on to the seasonwatch.in, get registered and log into your account. Click on Add Tree, select your species, go to the tree location, select the location type and proceed. Fill in the details about your tree and click Add Tree. Once your tree is registered, it will appear on your profile dashboard. Click on Add Observation. Note the observation on the leaves, flowers and fruits on the tree and click Save. You can do the same for the casual trees. The third way to make observation is to use our manual observation sheet, especially if you are observing trees in your school with students or if you regularly face network issues. You can download an A4 sized PDF of the observation sheet from our website, take a printout, and follow the instruction provided in the observation sheet to fill it regularly. Educators and teachers can reach out to us to receive printed observation sheets. Upload these observations to the Android app or website regularly. Please follow our tutorial videos to know how to add the status of leaf, flower, and fruit stages on your trees. Each method allows you to record the tree species, location, date of observation, and the corresponding stages of leaves, flowers, and fruits on the tree. Choose the option that works best for you. Ensure that the tree species you are observing is correctly identified. Accurate identification ensures the collected data can be meaningfully analyzed over time and across regions. Learn more about the lives of trees and the nature around you by regularly observing your trees. Happy season watching!